It feels very, very, very sturdy on there as well, which is definitely great to hear right there. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome tech videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tablets, computers, tech accessories, cases, and really just so much more. But folks, anyway, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. Now, this is the PopSocket PopWallet Plus for MagSafe. So basically, it is both a wallet and a PopSocket combined in a magnetic form, so it works with MagSafe compatible iPhones like the beautiful purple iPhone 12 right here, in addition to the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So when I saw this MagSafe accessory right here, I took one look at it and I'm like, I have to have that. That thing looks cool, because I mean, it's two things in one, a wallet and a PopSocket. So without further ado, I'm just really excited to get this guy out of the box and see how it actually works. So let's get to doing just that. So now folks, here we are up close and personal with this products box. And as you can see, it's pretty tiny and simple. You can see the actual PopWallet Plus for MagSafe right here. It says PopSockets up here, and it really wants you to know that it is compatible with MagSafe right there. And yeah, over here on the back, we have some instructions on how to use it. So it says use it right. So use only with MagSafe compatible case. Grab grip with phone in hand, and it's not recommended for bare phones, and do not carry your phone by the grip. Over here, it says to swap the actual top, the actual PopSocket itself. You can do that by pressing down and twisting, and then you can remove the top, and then you can swap on a new one. So that's pretty cool. And over here, it talks about some use cases. So you can use it as a grip, as a stand support, and last but not least, you can also use the bottom to push out your cards or cash or whatever you got in the wallet itself. So let's just get this out of the box. Boom, that was easy. We kind of destroyed it right there, but you got to do what you got to do sometimes. So here it is. Wow, talk about an easy unboxing experience. Over here, it's got some more instructions as well. So for instance, this is probably important. It says the magnets are shielded to protect up to 3 credit cards, and says it's not recommended for hotel key cards. Also, another warning it's got right here. It says to avoid damaging credit cards, security badges, passports, and key fobs, remove the wallet before charging, and don't let your credit cards touch the backside of the wallet or charger. Good to know. And yeah, let's just take this paperwork off of it right here. And now we've got the actual Pop wallet itself. So we can just pop it on the back of this purple iPhone 12 right here, and voila. So yeah, they were definitely right. You're probably going to want to use this with a MagSafe case, because the glass back of this phone, well, you guys can see it really just wants to slide around right there. So I think this white and pink marble color actually looks really good with it. It really complements the purple well, as you guys can tell right there. So that is pretty nice. So now iPhone 12 Pro Max with Apple's clear MagSafe case on, and now the PopWallet Plus. Let's put it on, and boom. Oh yeah, that is so much more sturdy like that. That is what I'm talking about. And wow, that is actually very, very sturdy. So yeah, that feels actually more sturdy than even like Apple's own MagSafe battery pack. So let's actually take this off, and wow, that really is kind of, you have to put some effort in to take it off. Apple MagSafe battery pack, and yeah, see, that wants to move around much more than this PopWallet Plus right here. So that is very good, because I was actually kind of worried, you know, maybe the wallet will feel like it wants to slip off a lot being just magnetic, but no, baby, that is definitely very solid on there. So wow, that's kind of crazy. Now let's pop the PopSocket out right there, and yeah, here I am gripping it just like that, and oh, that's better grip right there. Very, very cool. I love this whole 2-in-1 PopSocket and wallet concept right there. So now one thing I will note though, I've been playing around a bit more with this PopWallet Plus right here, and it actually does feel very, very sturdy as well, even on the naked phone now. I think earlier what I was doing wrong, why it felt so wobbly, is because I was actually putting it on upside down. So yeah, make sure you don't do that, because then it'll feel nice and wobbly. But literally when you put it on correctly like this with the PopSocket part on the top, then yeah, it feels, even on the naked phone, which they say not to do that, it feels very, very, very sturdy on there as well, which is definitely great to hear right there. So yeah, feels very sturdy on the purple iPhone 12 right here. Then blue 12 Pro Max, let's see, will it feel sturdy as well? I bet it will. And yeah, feels very sturdy there as well. So just had to correct myself a little bit right there. Now another thing too, even this pink, white, marble color right here, it definitely looks better on the purple iPhone iPhone 12 right here, but even on the 12 Pro Max in this blue color, I think it adds definitely a nice splash of color and interestingness to the phone right there. So yeah, that's definitely a cool design. So now let's actually put a credit card inside the PopWallet Plus right here. I have my very own Apple Card right here, and we can just slide it in the top right here, I believe. So yes, we can. There it is. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now let's pop it on the back of my iPhone 12 Pro Max right here, and there it is. And that's very cool. You can't even tell I have a credit card in there. So that's very nice. And then now this is pretty cool. You can actually use this little area right here on the bottom, this little black soft area, to push the credit card up, and then you can just pull it out nice and easily to access it, make your purchase, and then you can slide it right back in. That is definitely very awesome. Once again, I'm a huge, huge, huge fan of MagSafe accessories right here. So yeah, folks, anyway, with that, that'll be all for this nice, quick, easy unboxing of the PopSocket PopWallet Plus for MagSafe, both PopSocket and wallet right here. Definitely let me know down in the comments what you think of this accessory right here. Do you have it? Do you want it for yourself? All the stuff like that. I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you do want this for yourself, it'll set you back about $40. So it's actually cheaper than Apple's own leather MagSafe wallet. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, also definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.